I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious margarita cocktail using margarita mix. It's a straightforward process that guarantees a refreshing drink every time. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need your favorite tequila, a good quality margarita mix, and some fresh lime. Don't forget a shaker, a jigger for measuring, and your chosen serving glass. Preparing these items beforehand makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have everything ready, let's get to the mixing. For a perfectly balanced margarita, we'll use specific proportions. Start by pouring 2 ounces of your chosen tequila into the shaker. Next, add 4 ounces of your preferred margarita mix. To enhance the flavor and add a touch of brightness, include 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Finally, fill your shaker about 2/3 full with ice cubes. This will ensure your drink is perfectly chilled. With all your ingredients in the shaker, it's time to give it a good shake. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for approximately 15 seconds. This action not only chills the drink but also properly combines all the flavors. While shaking, you can prepare your serving glass. If you enjoy a salted rim, now is the time to apply it. Once shaken, remove the lid and strain the perfectly chilled margarita into your glass over fresh ice. The final step is to add the perfect finishing touch and then enjoy your creation. Garnish your margarita with a fresh lime wedge or a lime wheel. This adds both visual appeal and a hint of citrus aroma. For those who like a little extra complexity, a small splash of orange liqueur, like triple sec, can elevate the flavor profile. Serve your margarita immediately and take a moment to savor the refreshing taste of your perfectly crafted cocktail. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.